Okay, we got 2001 Ford Escort ZX2 here, and we're gonna remove the wheel, and we're gonna pull off these little nuts here, which luckily we put them on with some anti-seize, and you'll see. Watch how easy these come out. Well, this one wants to be a pain. There we go. We went through a whole winter, and as you can see, they come out nicely. That's a recommendation right there. A little anti-seize on them. They hold tight, and when you go to work on your wheels here, which we are replacing the wheel bearing on both sides because they are got 161,000 on both of them, and when you go around a corner, there's a grinding noise. So with an hour and 15-minute commute to work, we would like to be a lot more safe. Oh, look at that, comes right off. Okay, now to get the wheel bearing off, we have to pull this little cap off, and we are going to put some PB Blaster on it before we go any farther. Work on both sides at once, so we can work on one side while the other one soaks this up. Okay, that's been setting for like a few minutes here, so let's get out our little cap. Pops. Rotate it. This is no ordinary chisel. It's the hardened one. Works perfect for popping this apart. And I got my trusty little Leatherman here to finish it off. Well, I use something else. It don't sound too bad, but guess what? For $100, both of them are new. Go figure. Got a big ass screwdriver. There we go. And we get out our nice impact wrench here, and there we are. That's off. Here is the new one. Yeah, ABS sensor. It was like the website said $4 cheaper to buy the one with ABS over a non-ABS. So we bought the one with ABS, even though the car is not ABS. Who cares, right? It's not interfering with anything. No sensor in there. Oh well. Put it back on. Better to drive. Jeez. That is replaced. Dump out that brake dust. Put our rotor, our disc drum back on. Gotta working on too many newer cars with four-wheel disc. And loose the screws. Must be a pain at starting. Give you a little insight. If you have studs that are one's broken or threads are shot, buy a new wheel bearing. Take care of it. Two things at once. You get new wheel bearing and you get new studs. Just sock them back in. And there you go. Brakes on a little bit. All replaced. I just got to put the wheel back on, take the car off the stilts, and we're good to go. That's how you change the wheel bearings on a Ford Escort ZX2. Ford Escort, probably a Tempo. I have no idea. I mean, a lot of cars are simple like that. Not too hard. Have a good one.